Hi guys, welcome to this episode. Today I'm going to do a quick demo on the simple auto modes that's available to you on the Canon 250D. So let's get started. So in order to get started, you obviously need to switch the camera on. So switch it on and then just press your release button and your LCD screen will come on. Now to use the auto settings, there is this green button here. You put it on that, and then you literally click on this Q button and it will give you an option of built-in flash. So, you know, like simple users would just want it built-in flash. So you just select that, whether you want it on auto or non-auto. And again, you can sort of touch screen, so you can click on this and it will give you options. So you've got three options basically in auto. You've got your drive mode, you've got your built-in flash, and you've got your creative auto, and I'll go through those three things with you. So if I go to drive mode, you've got single shot, you've got continuous burst shot if you're thinking about doing sports photography, and you've got your timers up here as well. Okay, and that's about it really for your drive mode. Your built-in flash firing is basically you can have it automatic, or you can have it with a built-in flash, which I don't have at the moment on the hot shoe. And creative assistance is probably the cool thing that you want to play around with a little bit. Creative assistant allows you to change your picture quality from vivid to soft to warm to cool to various settings to shine. So for example, if you're shooting a nice sunny day, you might want it on shine. If you want like lots of peachy colours, you might want to select peach and it might make that yellow tone. If I click on that, you can have background blur. So if you want your foreground to be in focus and your background to be blur, you can do that as well in your auto mode. And you've got your sunlight over here, so the amount of sunlight, the brightness and contrast. So you might want your picture to be brighter or contrast. And you've got obviously your contrast, your sharpness, and you've got tones. These are like tones. So you know, like if you want to shoot, if you maybe you're making a horror film and you want the shot to be more blue, you would select that. If you want it to be more amber, you're shooting a romantic maybe film, and you want it to be a bit more warmer because the content is more warmer in terms of the film you're making, you might want to put it on warm. You've got magenta and you've got green. So if you maybe you want to colorize your film or your photography, it allows you to do that as well. And also you've got I think these are kind of monochrome, sapphire. So these are basically like tints. So you can have it basically, you can have it black or white, or you can have a tint of sapphire or monochrome, or you know, or green. So these are tints of color that you can apply onto your video or your photography. Alright guys, so that was a quick overview of the creative auto mode on the Canon 250D. Any questions, please do post. I'm happy to respond. And if you've got any videos that you want me to make, please do give me a shout out. I'm happy for shout outs, and also subscribe to the channel. And thank you for those people that are watching me. Shout out to you as well, my man and my lady. Thank you for watching. Adios.